In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Freshdesk, even though the platform doesn't offer a native dark mode feature in its agent interface or customer portal. Many users find dark mode helpful for reducing eye strain, especially during long hours of work. While Freshdesk hasn't yet implemented this feature natively, you have a couple of effective workarounds that can help you achieve a similar effect. First up, you can make use of a browser extension. These extensions are a popular choice among users who want to enable dark mode on websites that don't inherently support it. Let's delve into some options. One of the extensions you can try is the Zax Freshdesk Dark Mode. It's specifically available on the Chrome Web Store and designed for use with Freshdesk URLs. This makes it particularly tailored for Freshdesk users looking to transition their interface into a darker theme. Another great option is the dark mode for Freshdesk Chrome extension. This one allows you to adjust things like contrast and brightness. These customizable settings are incredibly useful for enhancing readability according to your personal preference. By tweaking these options, you can ensure that the screen is comfortable for your eyes, which can be especially beneficial if you're working late into the night or in low-light environments. Beyond these specific extensions, there are broader tools available such as Dark Reader. Dark Reader is an immensely popular extension that works well not just with Freshdesk, but with virtually any website. Its popularity comes from its ability to adapt a wide range of websites into dark mode while offering flexibility with its settings. Many users in online forums endorse Dark Reader as a reliable and versatile solution, making it a favored choice for those seeking a broad application. While enabling dark mode via these extensions, it's important to remember that because this feature is not natively supported by Freshdesk, certain visual elements might not display perfectly. However, most users agree that the benefits in terms of reducing eye strain and increasing readability far outweigh these occasional visual discrepancies. If you're using these browser extensions on Freshdesk, you won't be alone. A majority of users dealing with the lack of dark mode on Freshdesk find that these tools offer a great interim solution while awaiting a native feature. Until Freshdesk introduces an official dark mode, these extensions are your best bet to enjoy a more visually comfortable interface. Remember, each of these extensions might interact slightly differently with the Freshdesk interface, so it's worth experimenting with a few options to see which one you find most useful and visually appealing. So go ahead and give them a try. You'll likely find that the right extension will make your work on Freshdesk not only easier on your eyes, but also a bit more aesthetically pleasing.